Look at Invest 91p, and it's likely to become a tropical cyclone. It's just a matter of timing. It's the life of the tropical low up to a few hours ago. For Sunday the 8th of April 2018, welcome to another update from the Force 13's Australia Oceania channel. We wish to advise that our next round of updates will be late tomorrow afternoon. However, the Vanuatu Met Office at 6:17 p.m. Vanuatu time. At 5 a.m. tropical low 1000 millibars located near 16.8 degrees south, 170.1 degrees east. In the past 6 hours the system was moving in a northwesterly direction at 13 kilometres an hour. The potential for the tropical low to become a tropical cyclone within the Vanuatu area in the next 12 to 24 hours is high. Heavy rainfall, flash flooding over low-lying areas close to the riverbanks, including coastal flooding expected over the islands of Taupo, Samar, Panama, Palampa and Shifa provinces tonight and Monday. Here's a look at the Joy Typhoon Warning Centre's track. There's also a severe weather warning in place for heavy rainfall, as mentioned, including flash flooding, strong inland winds for the provinces mentioned. People are advised to listen to Radio Vanuatu and all other radio outlets to receive the latest information on this system. Now here's a look at the upper level divergence, and the Vanuatu Meteorological and Geohazards Department is closely monitoring the system and will issue the next information at 12 a.m. Upper level divergence is around 30 knots. The 850 millibar vorticity, and guess what? Ex-tropical cyclone Iris is about to come back for the third round. Here's a look at the wind shear. The Bureau of Meteorology's tropical cyclone 3-day outlook for the Coral Sea. Increases percentages low on Wednesday. Iris is currently tracking to the north. We'll have more information on that sometime tomorrow afternoon. The late cycle intensity guidance, one model is actually showing a Cat 3. I'm not going to cover the information provided by the Fiji Met Office. Their operation at this point in time is slightly questionable. The NOAA floaters on Invest 91p. And as mentioned, the Vanuatu has Invest 91 tracking in a northwesterly direction. And Fiji has it tracking in a northerly direction, but some of their information has not been updated, so I'll be focusing on the Vanuatu information. The sea surface temperatures around 28 to 29 degrees Celsius. Now we have a look at pressure and wind in knots, and this is a GFS model, and you can clearly see Invest 91p. The GFS really doesn't want to have anything to do with X-Iris, but the Bureau is saying percentages increase from very low to low as from Wednesday. There are a couple of low pressure systems down in the Southern Ocean, the Great Australian Bight area, or to the south of Australia. Here's the Vanuatu service chart. The green lines represent troughs. Joint Typhoon Warning Centre, apology, next door neighbour's dog, and this is one of the satellite imageries. With reference to the Vanuatu information, here it is on the screen. It's located about 200 kilometres east of Epai, tracking in a northwesterly direction, 13 kilometres an hour, and percentages are high within the next 12 to 24 hours for a tropical cyclone. Severe weather warning is in place. At 48 hours they have it peaking at 60 knots or 110 kilometres an hour. The Fiji track chart is slightly questionable when you're considering that the system is tracking north, or Vanuatu, as mentioned, northwest. Here's a look at the Himawari 8 satellite view, Australia's eastern region, and taking in the southwest Pacific. We appreciate the support to the AU channel, and keep those comments coming in, and even the questions.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, which has had a revamp and is still under reconstruction, but take a look. Also YouTube, of course, if you haven't subscribed, that might be a good idea. Visit Force 13. We're also on Facebook under the same name, of course, and you can like us on there, and you can also follow us on Twitter. Search Force 13, all in text for those. You can also add Force 13 on Skype, or my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.